Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are reviewing Fenty Beauty's cream bronzers. I'm so excited about these. There's some funky colors in here that I cannot wait to try and show you as well. So let's get started. I thought I had 5 of the shades, unless these are all of them. Let me look that up really quickly because I bought these forever ago and I don't remember. Okay, so these are the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream blushes. There are 10 shades in total. I thought I picked up 5, but apparently I only picked up 4, unless one of them is missing somewhere, and if that's the case, then I'll show you later. By the way, I've never used cream blush before. I think I've tried and it just doesn't go well every time, so I'm kind of scared about that, but let me read to you the details. A light as air, non-greasy cream blush that instantly melts into your skin for a wash of color and natural looking flush in 10 easy to use sheer shades. They are created by Rihanna herself. The sweat and water resistant formula smooths over skin without feeling sticky or greasy, which is one of the major problems with anything cream product. They can often, unless it's a foundation, they can often feel sticky and greasy. Okay, so far I have my foundation, and also on top of my foundation today, I am reviewing the cream bronzer by Fenty Beauty. So that is what's on my skin today. Let me unbox these and show you the colors that I got. Oh my god, look how cute and adorable. It says cream right there. And this one is in the shade Summertime Wine. Summertime Wine. Okay, Summertime Wine is a soft berry with shimmer. I don't see any shimmer, but it's really pretty. It's like a wine color. Okay, next we have Rosé Latte right here, which is like a deeper shade. So this one is described as a soft brown nude. That's exactly what I would describe this as. This is kind of more like for fall, right? So these are the first 2 shades. Kind of look similar. Oh gosh. Next we have Petal Poppin', which is a beautiful rosy shade. Petal Poppin' is a soft baby pink. Love. And then the funkiest shade of them all is this one. You ready? A purple blush. What? These colors are so fun though. Okay. This is in the shade Drama Class with 2 S's, with 2 $ S's. These retail for $20 each. Kind of expensive if you really look at it, because they are super duper tiny. Okay, so I have this angled brush. I did use it with my cream bronzer by Fenty, and I kind of just want to test it out if I can use it again with the blush. If not, then I'll do it with my beauty sponge. I'm kind of feeling one of these two, but I feel like so that it shows up, because I'm kind of scared, now that I see this one up close, I'm kind of scared that this one's not gonna show up. I'm gonna go in with Summertime Wine. Beautiful deep rose shade. And I'm gonna go in a little bit at a time, and I already love it. Oh my god. I love this shade. I thought this was gonna be so intense, but it's beautiful. It's actually beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay, I went a little bit more intense on this side, so you can definitely build these up if you wanted to. I definitely should have used a lighter hand on the other side, but I love blush. And I feel like if I use it, oh my god, I look crazy. I look insane. I definitely grabbed way too much with this one, but I'm obsessed with blush. Like, you have no idea. So this is like the perfect excuse to just like clown it up, you know? Okay. Let's dial it back really quickly. I'm just gonna go over everything with my beauty sponge. That toned it down a lot. I'm so glad. Right as I'm saying, I love blush. The more, the better for me. Girl, that looks so pretty. I feel like I'm not gonna do it today because I'm not there yet with these cream blushes, but I kind of like feel like just going over my nose with it because I see so many people doing that nowadays, and I'm so jealous. Like, they look so cute. That looks so good. I definitely look like I've been sweating outside or something. But it looks gorgeous. I love it. On top of the Fenty bronzer, it looks phenomenal. It's not breaking up my foundation at all. Mind you, I did this foundation probably over 45 minutes ago because I've been filming other videos. It's playing along really well with other products, so I'm really happy about that. I'm gonna set everything with my Fenty powder that I love. So under my eyes for sure. One thing that I learned as I learned how to do my makeup is that you definitely want to do your cream products, every cream product that you want to do before any powder. But I've heard recently that that's not necessarily true as well. So it's just, I guess, preference. And then we have this really beautiful Petal Poppin' blush. I think I'm gonna go with this one today. Okay, I'm gonna grab my little, I actually really like this brush for cream product. So I'm just gonna go in. This is Petal Poppin'. I'm gonna go right in there. And I'm gonna apply my blush. This is a beautiful color. I actually feel like it's showing up a little bit more, no? Like a blush than Summertime Wine, if I remember correctly. I don't know, this one just has like that blush, like your overall blush feeling. I thought this was gonna be like not as pigmented, not because of bad formulation, but just because I'm, you know, medium skin tone, and this one's a really light baby pink peach color, but it's showing up just fine. They're beautiful. So far, the two that I've tried, they look amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge and just make sure that everything is really blended, that there's no harsh lines from the brush. Doing that though does take away a little bit of the color. And this is Petal Poppin'. What do you guys think? Now let's move on to the next blush. Okay, so we're finally ready to apply Rosé Latte. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here, just like I did the past two. Here we go. My baby hairs are just annoying today. I thought this was not gonna show up as a blush. So far, this is my favorite blush. This is my favorite blush so far. Out of the three that I've tried, are you kidding? Look at this color. It is so perfect for my skin, and I'm just grabbing a little more as I'm like digging into the pan. Okay. I'm gonna start, like, look at the pigmentation of this product. Okay, I went a little bit too heavy-handed on this side, but it looks like a blush. It does not look like that in the pan, but I love it. Like, I didn't know what to expect from this color, but I'm glad this is what I got. This is unblended, by the way. Wow. I am so impressed. I'm just gonna correct this really quickly. I'm gonna go over it with my beauty sponge. Look at that color. If this isn't the perfect blush color for me, I don't know what is. So far I've tried Summertime Wine and Petal Poppin'. Both of these are beautiful, but so far this one's my favorite. Next up is Drama Class, which is this purple. If I didn't know what to expect from this brown one, I don't know what to expect from this unicorn one. So let's get right to it. Okay, I'm kind of nervous. Looks kind of reddish. Gonna start back here. Oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Just like a mauve-y toned blush. What do we think? It looks nothing like I thought it was going to straight up look purple. I went a little bit more intense on this side to see if I could get the purple to show up a little bit more. And it definitely is. But look, that just looks really pretty. Also, this is like a blush demonstration. I probably from like a day-to-day wouldn't do this amount. Anyway, okay. So this brush does leave a little bit of streakiness on the skin. So what I like to do is go in with my beauty sponge and just lightly tap it in. You don't need much explanation at all. I am obsessed with these. I never thought I could say that about cream blushes ever, but these have just turned it around for me. I feel like I'm gonna repeat myself. They're really easy to use. Every shade that I picked up so far are very wearable. Even the crazy shades like Drama Class, it just looks stunning. There's not really much for me to say, except that sometimes I do like to add a little bit more powder blush right on top just to set this area so it doesn't move, but also just to add a little bit more oomph, if you know what I mean. And that just gives me peace of mind that this isn't going to move. Anytime I wear these blushes, my complexion looks absolutely amazing the entire day. Where they set is where they stay, which is one of the main concerns that you think about when you think about cream products like this. Are they going to move around? Are they going to fade away throughout the day? They're not. All in all, I'm obsessed with every single shade that I got. I definitely am going to pick up more of the shades, hopefully the rest of the line, so that I can keep testing them out for you guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.